Hey everybody, welcome back to Mountain Elf Gaming. I'm Kush and this is our 7 Days to Die rebuilding world. I am headed to the trader to sell a bunch of stuff and check their stock to see if they have some of the schematics or items that I want. I did get the doors finished crafting and started trying to mess with them, but I think I have some sort of glitch because even when they're wired in, they're not. It says that the motion detector is not powered. So let me grab some of this stuff to sell. I should probably grab the higher level stuff first, actually, now that I grabbed all that. I stuck what mods I had in these items, and I will sell them first. I do have some sugar butts on me, but I want to see if the trader had some more, and I might get more rock crushers for when I harvest materials. But since I'm not carrying the Desert Vulture, I did bring a Magnum. Let me use a sugar butts first. And as you can see, I brought all the money. We have $230,000. So let's sell some of this stuff. Not that. And all these parts that I'm selling are either for weapons that I don't use or I have a full stack of at home. So I'll sell the rest of the stuff at the next trader, but let's see what he has available. Doesn't look like much I need so far. Robotic sledge, not really. And then that's all the stuff I sold him. So thanks, but no thanks. I will take the sham chowder recipe. Yeah, he doesn't have anything I need. No schematics or elixirs that I need. So that kind of sucks. I did go ahead and get the other sugar butts because I want to make sure I can use one when I get up to the other trader. I've still got some oh shit strops left. What are the nerd tats? Shock radius. I don't need those. Explosion damage and block damage. No thanks. I'd probably blow up my own base. So now I need to head to the northern trader and see what they have. I'm really hoping for either a 4x4 or a gyrocopter or the schematics to make them. Learning elixir schematic is the things I'm looking for the most. I have good armor. I know I can make the steel armor. I can make tier 5 steel armor. But as far as weapons and stuff, I'm pretty well set, and I've got plenty of ammo. I have the chem station making, I think it's 6,000 gunpowder at the moment. So I don't really need anything other than the other vehicles I don't have, or the schematics. And then I think, probably not today since we're doing a trader run, but I think probably what I will do is maybe raid the Shamway factory. I think that's another one of the big POIs that I haven't gone all the way through. Probably should have checked to see if he had a job for me, but and then I think once we get through the Shamway factory, I'd like to end the series by having all of the vehicles. But if it's just going to drag on and I'm not going to be able to find the schematics, then we may just have to end it on a horde night, and if we survive the horde, we will call that a win. Our next horde is day 42, which is 4 days away, but our horde base is pretty much ready. That is the other schematic I would like to have, is the shotgun or SMG turret schematics. I haven't checked my skill points to see if I have the points to put into the turrets, but I don't think I have. I have one, and I think I have to get perception higher before I can level that up enough to make the SMG turrets. I've already made the platforms for them to stand on, but don't have the turrets themselves. I can put a robotic turret over there, but I can't reach it from the safety of inside to reload it or anything like that, so I'm not going to put any turrets out there until I get the shotgun or SMG turrets. So we're almost to the trader. This is a little town coming up here. We might have a quick look around this town and see if there's anything we can do a quick raid on today. Trying to remember which of the POIs up here has already been raided, either for quests or just for loot. Because there's always the chance of getting schematics in a house, but that's only if it happens to be a house with either a lot of bookcases or a lot of trash, because you can get schematics in the trash. So I don't really think there's anything up here that I want to raid specifically for schematics. But let's see what the trader has. Our sugar butts is still going. Let's grab the rest of the sellables. And I think that's all I needed. Let's check the vending machine. See what's in there. Eye candy I will take. Rockbusters I will take. And I can make coffee, so I don't need to buy the coffee. Alright, dude. Give me something good. Let's sell you a few things while we're here. So, we now have $257,000. So if you could, sell me a 4x4 or a gyrocopter, that would be fantastic. But it doesn't look like you're going to do that. Lucky goggles. Yeah. Okay. A bicycle. Really, dude? Alright, well, he doesn't have anything I need either. Let's see.
If there's nothing else,
what is my lucky looter at? Which level is it where you get the... Let's put that extra point into there and see if that changes what he has in his stash. No, it doesn't. Now, what if I put those on? No. Because I know there's a way that you can do it with the points, but I don't know which one it is. That I thought there was an extra, like you could get a better stash from the trader, but it doesn't seem to be. If it's on these perks, it's not listed. Is that better barter instead? Okay, so the next points I think need to go in intellect and better barter. Thanks for nothing, dude. Alright, well, we did not get any of the schematics or the stuff that we want. I don't think I saw anything in there that I need from him. Although I will take the duct tape and the glue. I have so much stuff at home, I don't really need anything from him except those schematics. So, unfortunately, it looks like it's back to the drawing board on that one. Close the door, thank you. Let's pop you in there, and you guys can go in there too. Let's do that. Put you back down here, and let's have a quick drive around and see if there are any houses that I recognize as having a number of bookshelves in them. That house has already been looted. I think it's one of the, it's almost a hotel looking house that has some fairly close inside the front door, but I don't think that house is in this little town. We'll have a quick look. This one has a few bookcases in it. I know there's some in the living room. I don't recognize that one, so there is a library also in the high school, so maybe we'll try and get through this one and through the high school and see. I don't need to grab those. I've got so much cobble and cement at home. Is there anything up there? Can I look up there without bonking my head? There's a bag. Scrap that for iron. And I don't need the jars. Scrap that for paint. And then drop down here. Alright. Maybe I should use that. I don't want the jars, thank you. Let's get reloaded. And head down here. Sometimes there's somebody in here, but urban combat. Alright. Alright, this is mainly what I want to look at. Let's put those on. Well, books, needle and thread, versatile footwear. But nope, none of the ones I want. And this is a fairly easy POI to go through, so we good? Yep. I'll go ahead and just. Ooh, I woke everybody up. Hi guys. You were upstairs too? Alright, and this is the main loot room. Ooh, a tier 6 junkie. I might be retiring the tier 4. Let's take the dye out of these and scrap it for paint, and then I will scrap these for leather. I'll eat that, scrap that. Reinforced chest, a tier 5 magnum. Ooh, a tier 5 sniper. That's nice. And some nuggets. Alright, I think that's about all there is. There is a hidden stash back here, I forgot about it. Ammo. Alright, I don't really need any of the rest of the stuff out of the house. I will check the medicine cabinet though. Blood bags, I will go ahead and take. Don't need the wood. Don't need that. Don't need paper. Don't really need the leather either. So, getting loot, just not the loot I'm looking for. And I think there's. This is the house we lived in at the start of this series. Back in our. Alright, come on. No, you're gonna be a pain, huh? Alright, there we go. And this is where the zombies fell through. So let's see what's in here. Tier 5 sledgy. Yeah, let's check the trash just in case. No. Well, alright, let's head over to the high school, I think. Check the trash, don't need you. I don't think I've rated the high school, so I know there is a library in there, but I'm not sure how difficult it is going to be to raid. So, is this wood? No, it's not. Alright, we're just going to take the front door down. Excuse me, pardon me, thank you. And we'll just head over here and maybe we can get up to the library and find some more schematics. I'm assuming this is not like a dungeon style POI that you just go in the front door. Hey buddy, hold that. Thank you. That's the bear den. Yeah, I think the high school is about our best option for finding other schematics. There's a pumpkin seed. That's good. Oop, that's so good I just shot the stairs on the school. Whoops. Alright. That's a lot of noise. Alright, that is not a working one. Did you get stuck in here? Poor Nursey. Alright, vitamins. I'll take one, but I don't need the rest of them. Loot the sink. Cooking pot. Blood bags I will take. Maybe I should hold on to one of those painkillers in case something smacks me. That looks like about all the loot in here, in the nurse's office. Hey guys. Just the principal. What are mine? Mine are +4. Let's trade out our goggles. It would help if I took those out of the desk. And we'll take the slightly better looting goggles. And then I can sell those, I guess. Check the backpack. I don't need a blunderbuss. I know I could sell it for a little bit, but I'd rather have the inventory space. Don't need you. I will take you. And let's turn you into duct tape. And if I can find 2 more cloth, then I can turn those other 2. That's back outside. Alright, let's go this way instead. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, I missed him. Whoops. Alright, there's some more cloth. Let's make some duct tape. And then throw that out and throw that out. Don't need the paper. Scrap that. Hi, I see you guys, yep. Did you just try to fall through the window? Don't hit me. Acid. There's a bag in here and some trash. Take that stuff. Lots of sewing kits at the school. I should have kept that cloth. Cloth? Alright. Alright, so there's the library upstairs. There is a bookshelf in here. And 2 books I've already read. Nothing over there. Alright, question is that a landmine? Oh, nope, I guess it was a cooking pot. Yep, that one says pick up cooking pot. Alright, is there anybody in here? No, just a pile of food. Go ahead and eat that. I saw something up top. Can you jump, please? I'll take that. Don't need that. Well, so far not much I've needed, but hopefully when we get up to the library that will change. Alright, so how do I get upstairs? Through the stairs, I'm guessing. A little money. Alright, let's get upstairs and see who wants to say hello. Alright, so there's a torch up there. Alright, nothing over here. Really, dude? Alright, so this is the, like, library office area. I'll scrap that and hold on to it for a bit in case I need the cloth. But I am wearing looting goggles. Wow, there's not many bookcases in here. A double-barreled and some antibiotics. Recipe. I don't need you. I'll read them for the extra experience, but so far, not many of these are ones that I don't have, except that one is 10% more damage with fists or knuckle weapons. So, well, there weren't many schematics or books in here. Now it looks like I have to play parkour. And we know how well this usually goes for me, so we're just going to put down a frame. And try not to fall through the ceiling. Alright, is anybody up here? Ow. Get out of there. Where's the bird? Quit hitting me! Okay, every time I'm reloading is when they show up. And I do have... there's another one. Where'd it go? Another one just went past my face. Okay, so... let's use some healing. What do I have? Treated abrasion. Alright. Let's head over here, but I don't think there's going to be anything else in the building that I need. Let's take care of dude over here. And I guess we drop back down through this hole. And wait to see who comes to say hi. He was hiding in a corner. Well, he didn't bring the schematics I wanted, but at least he was trying. Who's growling back here? Anything hiding in here? Alright, who's trying to bust through the door? You dead? Yep, we're good. Alright, let's check the trash. I do not need coffee. Well, I always need coffee, but I don't need the coffee for in the game. A few drinks, which I should probably drink some of as I'm thirsty. A spaghetti recipe, which I already had. I'm just going to go ahead and drink all 3 of these. And do I have any food? No, I don't. Okay. Don't need either of those things. I'll take that. I'll take that for now in case I'm still thirsty. But nothing on the top of there. Cash register with a little bit of cash. And nothing in here except a trash can. There is a vending machine. What have you got? I might get you so I can eat you and you. And we'll eat those and then scrap the cans. And then I think I go that way. Let's modify that and get the dye to make some paint. Don't need the shirt though. Gunpowder, which I can throw out. That was a white. That was a white. Are you dead? I kind of wasn't expecting to run into a white in the school. Shop class. These you can take apart to get an engine, and you can take these apart usually. Get some iron. Got a little bit of iron. Go ahead and throw out the water. See what's in the toolbox. A wire tool, which I will actually take, seeing as I only have one at home, and I want one at the horde base. Get mechanical parts from those. Not bad. Anything in the desk? Nope. Alright. So, we came from that way. Let's make sure we're fully loaded. There's another bookshelf. Again, nothing that I haven't read. Nothing hiding there, and some paper. And a backpack in the corner. Alright, so do I go back down the stairs, I guess? Alright. That's a lot of bodies. Does that mean there's gonna be like a dog or a bear or something? Oh, well, there's a football player, a military guy, and a crawler, lab lady, and a cheerleader. Alright, we good now? Alright, let's go in here first. This looks like the, let's close that. Looks like the science classroom. You can have the wood, I'll take the dye. Lead. I don't really need the animal fat, I don't think. So I might throw it out. That I will take. I'm not gonna take those things. Is that a cop? Alright, I need to go find the cop. Nope, it's wine shirt guy. What's he called? A disturbed tourist? Don't need any of those. Anybody in the nasty bathroom? No? Schematic for coffee. More ammo, which is good because I have burned through a bit. Alright, let's see. Okay, so can I not... Which way do I need to go first, or does it matter? Or did they bust a hole out of there? Okay. That's back to the area I was in, so it looks like I go this way. Anybody home? Hello? Nope. Take that. Scrap that. Alright, let's get rid of a few things I don't really need. I don't need the beers. I can make them. I don't really need the lead. I've got that mine right behind the house. So, well, that frees up a few slots anyway. Acid and some ammo. There's all the loot, but I guess I have to go this way to get it. I don't need that. Art of Mining and Lucky Looters, which I have already read. I will take the die out of you and then just drop you. I don't know why I did that. I don't need the lead. I've got mine behind the house. Let's see if there's something behind here. Yeah, peekaboo into the locker room, apparently. I'll take it for now, but I've got plenty of armor parts at home. So, that may wind up getting tossed out. Yeah, and this is creepy. There's a big glass window from the coach's office into the shower room. That's kind of creepy. Alright. Coach's office. A little bit of medical stuff. I don't need any of that. And out to the gym, where I have a feeling there's going to be some badness waiting. Holy cow. That's, alright. It's not going to be a one-hit kill, but I'm using the pistol to try and minimize how many of them come at me at once. Come on, stand up so I can hit you. Alright. Die. Alright, is that all of them, or are there more up there? Let's close this behind us. I don't think there's any more up there. Let's just do a quick run around and find out. Oh, they're waiting behind there, huh? Did you hit him? Thank you. Alright. Oh, you're not dead yet? We good now? Alright. Crack a book. Working stiff. Crack book. Now what are the chances? Well, it was schematics, but not the ones I need. Iron pickaxe. wire tool, steel tool parts. I'm actually gonna scrap that. And ammo. And then I'm not even bothering with the lock picks. I'm just gonna beat my way into it. Alright, last hit, and let's see what we get. Tier 6 knuckles, steel chest armor, military armor, gravedigger mod, and I'm gonna have to get rid of some stuff. I can actually put the bandolier mod into there and free up one spot. I can put the extended mag into the sniper rifle. I'll scrap those and take those and that. Gravedigger mod, I already have. I guess if it'll go in there, I can throw it in there just to hold on to it. And then, alright, so we didn't get the schematics we wanted, but at least we got some decent loot. I do have to make my way back out of here. Just walk around. And back out through the front. They'd knocked a hole through to the administration area, I think. Over here. So, not a bad day of raiding. Checked the traders and did a raid or two. I am going to keep driving around and look for houses that may have schematics in them. In fact, we can check the Poopy Pants daycare. But then I'm going to head home and drop this stuff off. And just looking at the houses to see if I recognize them. I don't think I've been in here. So let's knock away in. And while I'm doing this, I am going to go ahead and have a cow in the episode because no, you die. Thank you. I'm going to go ahead and end the episode here. I'm just going to check here for books and then head home and get sorted out. Hello? Why are there no zombies? There's a bookcase with 2 I've already read. And, hey buddy, hold this. And those bookcases are empty. Tier 6 helmet, I don't know why I know it's kind of sacrilegious, but I'm scrapping the iron. See if I can put anything else on the bike before I go through. But I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe. Any comments and questions, go down in the comment section. Any tips and tricks are always appreciated. And I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And I will see you next time. Thanks, y'all. Bye.